Sweet potatoes, with their vibrant orange hue and naturally sweet flavor, have long been a staple in various cuisines around the world. Beyond their culinary versatility, sweet potatoes are also nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to overall health. This video delves into the myriad health benefits of eating sweet potatoes every day, supported by scientific explanations and research findings. But just a quick disclaimer, remember the information provided is for educational purpose only and should not substitute informed medical advice or care. Let's jump straight to the benefits. 1. Rich source of beta-carotene and vitamin A. Sweet potatoes are particularly renowned for their high beta-carotene content, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin integrity, and immune function. Beta-carotene is a provitaminocarotenoid, which means it can be converted into retinol-active or vitamin A in the body. This conversion process is essential for various physiological functions. For instance, vitamin A is a critical component of rhodopsin, a protein in the eyes that absorbs light in retinal receptors, thus aiding in vision, especially in low-light conditions. A study published in the journal Nutrients highlights the importance of beta-carotene in preventing vitamin A deficiency, which can lead to xerophthalmia, a condition that causes dry eyes and can result in blindness if untreated. Regular consumption of beta-carotene-rich foods like sweet potatoes can help maintain adequate vitamin A levels and support eye health. 2. Antioxidant properties and anti-inflammatory effects. Sweet potatoes are loaded with antioxidants, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and various phenolic compounds. These antioxidants play a vital role in neutralizing free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cellular damage. Chronic oxidative stress is linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Antioxidants scavenge free radicals, preventing them from causing harm. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated that the phenolic compounds in sweet potatoes exhibit significant antioxidant activity, helping to mitigate oxidative damage. Additionally, another study published in Food and Chemical Toxicology found that sweet potato extracts reduced inflammation markers in animal models, suggesting potential anti-inflammatory benefits for humans as well. 3. Supports immune function. The high vitamin A and vitamin C content in sweet potatoes bolsters the immune system, helping the body ward off infections and diseases. Vitamin A is vital for maintaining the integrity of mucous barriers in the eyes, respiratory tract, and gut, which serve as the body's first line of defense against pathogens. It also supports the production and function of white blood cells, which play a key role in the immune response. Vitamin C, on the other hand, enhances the production of collagen, supports various cellular functions of the immune system, and acts as an antioxidant. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine underscores the role of vitamin A in enhancing immune function and its potential in reducing the severity of infections. Another study in Nutrients highlights how vitamin C supplementation can reduce the duration and severity of common colds and improve immune defense mechanisms. 4. Promotes gut health. Sweet potatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber content helps promote regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Dietary fiber adds bulk to the stool and facilitates its passage through the digestive tract. Additionally, sweet potatoes contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool and aids in its movement through the gut. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that the resistant starch in sweet potatoes can serve as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria such as bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. These bacteria play a crucial role in maintaining gut health and can enhance the body's overall immune response. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Despite being naturally sweet, sweet potatoes have a relatively low glycemic index, making them a suitable carbohydrate source for individuals managing their blood sugar levels. The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a high GI cause rapid spikes, while those with a low GI result in gradual increases. The fiber in sweet potatoes slows the digestion and absorption of sugars, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. Research published in Diabetes Care suggests that low GI foods like sweet potatoes can help manage blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes. Another study in Food and Function found that the polyphenols in sweet potatoes can enhance insulin sensitivity, further aiding in blood sugar regulation. 6. Enhances heart health. Sweet potatoes contribute to heart health through their high levels of potassium, fiber, and antioxidants. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body. High dietary potassium intake can reduce the risk of hypertension, a major risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Additionally, the fiber in sweet potatoes helps lower cholesterol levels, while antioxidants reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to heart disease. A study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that higher potassium intake is associated with lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of stroke. Moreover, research published in Nutrition Reviews highlights the role of dietary fiber in lowering LDL cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. 7. Supports weight management. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your daily diet can aid in weight management due to their high fiber content and relatively low calorie count. Fiber-rich foods increase satiety, meaning they help you feel fuller for longer, which can reduce overall calorie intake. Sweet potatoes provide a good volume of food for a relatively low number of calories, making them a valuable component of a weight management diet. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that increased dietary fiber intake is linked to lower body weight and reduced risk of obesity. The low energy density of sweet potatoes makes them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or lose weight without feeling deprived. 8. Improves skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in sweet potatoes contribute to healthy, glowing skin. Vitamin A and vitamin C are essential for skin health. Vitamin A helps to repair skin tissues and maintains the production of new cells, while vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, which is necessary for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. A study in the Journal of Dermatological Science demonstrated that vitamin A can improve skin conditions like acne and psoriasis by reducing inflammation and promoting cell turnover. Another study in nutrients found that vitamin C is crucial for preventing skin aging and damage caused by UV exposure. 9. Enhances brain function. Sweet potatoes may also support cognitive function due to their rich array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Antioxidants such as beta-carotene and anthocyanins protect brain cells from oxidative damage, which can impair cognitive function over time. Additionally, the B vitamins in sweet potatoes play a critical role in brain health by supporting neurotransmitter synthesis and energy production. A study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that a diet high in antioxidants can reduce the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Moreover, research in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience highlights the potential neuroprotective effects of anthocyanins, suggesting that they can improve memory and cognitive function. 10. Supports bone health. The vitamins and minerals in sweet potatoes, particularly manganese and magnesium, contribute to maintaining strong and healthy bones. Manganese is essential for bone formation and metabolism, while magnesium plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and bone mineralization. A diet rich in these minerals can help prevent bone-related disorders such as osteoporosis. A study in Bone found that manganese deficiency can lead to bone malformation and weakness. Additionally, research in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition indicates that adequate magnesium intake is associated with higher bone density and a reduced risk of fractures. 11. Enhances vision and prevents age-related macular degeneration. In addition to beta-carotene, sweet potatoes contain other nutrients beneficial for eye health, such as vitamins C and E and anthocyanins. Vitamin C and vitamin E are antioxidants that protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Anthocyanins, found particularly in purple sweet potatoes, can improve visual acuity and reduce the risk of eye-related diseases. A study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology found that a high intake of antioxidants such as vitamin C and E was associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, anthocyanins have been shown to improve night vision and slow the progression of cataracts. 12. Supports healthy pregnancy. Sweet potatoes are rich in folate, which is essential for pregnant women to prevent neural tube defects in developing fetuses. Folate or vitamin B9 is crucial for DNA synthesis and cell division. Adequate folate intake before and during pregnancy helps prevent major birth defects of the baby's brain and spine. According to a study in The Lancet, folate supplementation during pregnancy significantly reduces the incidence of neural tube defects. The natural folate in sweet potatoes provides an excellent dietary source for expecting mothers. 13. Boosts energy levels. The complex carbohydrates and iron content in sweet potatoes help sustain energy levels throughout the day. Complex carbohydrates provide a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, ensuring long-lasting energy. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen in the blood, thus preventing fatigue and increasing energy levels. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that a diet rich in complex carbohydrates improved physical performance and endurance. Another study highlighted the importance of dietary iron in maintaining optimal energy levels and reducing the risk of anemia. 14. Improves hair health. The vitamins and minerals in sweet potatoes, including beta-carotene, vitamins A, C, and E, and zinc, contribute to healthy hair. Vitamin A helps produce sebum, which keeps hair moisturized. Vitamin C aids in collagen production, strengthening hair strands. Vitamin E repairs damaged hair follicles, and zinc promotes hair growth and repair. Research published in the Journal of Dermatology found that a deficiency in vitamins A and E can lead to hair loss and thinning. Zinc deficiency has also been linked to hair loss, emphasizing the importance of adequate zinc intake for maintaining healthy hair. 15. May reduce the risk of cancer. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in sweet potatoes, such as beta-carotene and anthocyanins, have been shown to possess anti-cancer properties. Antioxidants protect cells from DNA damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to cancer. Beta-carotene and anthocyanins have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis-programmed cell death. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Cancer demonstrated that beta-carotene and other carotenoids reduce the risk of various cancers, including lung and breast cancer. Another study published in Cancer Letters found that anthocyanins from purple sweet potatoes inhibited the growth of colon cancer cells. 16. Helps alleviate symptoms of menstrual pain. Sweet potatoes are rich in magnesium, which can help alleviate menstrual cramps and other symptoms associated with menstruation. Magnesium acts as a muscle relaxant and can help reduce the severity of menstrual cramps. It also helps regulate neurotransmitters that affect mood, potentially easing symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. A study published in the Journal of Women's Health found that magnesium supplementation significantly reduced the intensity of menstrual pain. Another study highlighted the role of magnesium in improving mood and reducing PMS symptoms. 17. Supports respiratory health. The anti-inflammatory properties of sweet potatoes can help support respiratory health and alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in sweet potatoes help reduce inflammation in the airways, which can benefit individuals with asthma and other respiratory conditions. A study in the American Journal of Respiratory and Critical Care Medicine found that a diet rich in antioxidants can reduce inflammation in the airways and improve lung function in individuals with asthma. The anti-inflammatory effects of sweet potatoes can help manage and reduce symptoms of respiratory conditions. 18. Enhances mental well-being. Sweet potatoes contain choline, an essential nutrient that supports brain health and cognitive function. Choline is involved in the synthesis of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in memory and learning. Adequate choline intake is essential for maintaining cognitive function and mental well-being. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher choline intake was associated with better cognitive performance and a reduced risk of cognitive decline. Sweet potatoes provide a natural source of choline, supporting brain health and mental well-being. 19. Reduces muscle soreness. The anti-inflammatory properties of sweet potatoes can help reduce muscle soreness and promote recovery after intense physical activity. Inflammation and oxidative stress contribute to muscle soreness after exercise. The antioxidants in sweet potatoes can help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage, promoting faster recovery. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that antioxidant-rich foods can reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery after exercise. Sweet potatoes, with their high antioxidant content, are an excellent food for athletes and active individuals. 20. Supports detoxification. Sweet potatoes contain various nutrients that support the body's natural detoxification processes. Antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins in sweet potatoes support liver function and help eliminate toxins from the body. Fiber aids in digestion and the removal of waste, while antioxidants protect the liver from damage. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Translational Hepatology highlighted the role of dietary antioxidants in supporting liver health and detoxification processes. The fiber content in sweet potatoes also aids in the elimination of toxins through regular bowel movements. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your daily diet provides numerous health benefits beyond the commonly known advantages. Their rich nutrient profile, combined with their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, makes them an invaluable food for enhancing overall health and well-being. As with any dietary change, it's important to consume sweet potatoes as part of a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you have specific health conditions or dietary restrictions. By making sweet potatoes a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their delicious flavor while reaping the numerous health benefits they offer.